You stop pulling them out. You only count the eggs. You have 5 now. Keep counting. 5. You have 5, 10. Yep. I think you lost the purpose of the exercise.
No.
Oscar, get off, buddy.
No.
What's wrong with your eyes? You getting like doggy cataracts?
Noah, how many eggs do you have?
Then I'm going to get some more eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And what's eggs next?
Count all your eggs. Like, what colors do you have for eggs? Tell me the colors.
Green.
Green.
1,
No.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 14, 15, 17,
Oh, you're silly.
18.
Yay!
What
Good
color-
job.
What color are your eggs?
What colors are they?
No, we're not doing that.
Are they black?
No.
Or they're gray? What color is it? Can you help Mommy?
No.
How much
Such a-
sugar did you just eat?
you're
Did
such
you
a
eat all the
boy.
sugar?
Yeah, I got it in my mouth.
Yeah, you ate all the circle treats.